How to unblock someone on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unblock someone on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. On this home page, click on that me icon at right corner below and you will be taken to a new page. From here, click on settings. After clicking on settings, under this section, you will find friends permission. Under privacy section, click on friends permission and you will be taken to this page. Here at the very end, you will find blocked list. Click on that blocked list and then you will see the person whom you have blocked previously. To unblock it, click on their profile and on this page, click on that 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. After that, this screen will be presented. Here, toggle button for block is enabled, so the person has been blocked. Now to unblock this person, simply toggle this button to disable it. Wait for a while and you have successfully unblocked someone on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.